Hello everyone, welcome back to Azure Trading Systems live session. We are waiting for the market to open. The market is gonna go open in like 50 seconds. So right now, this is what we are looking at. This is the high for London session, and this was the low for London session. The blue lines are the high and low for Asian session, and the white line shows the high or low from yesterday's New York session. Yesterday we closed the session with plus 2%. So I will edit everything over here. So we are currently waiting for the market to open. So the market has opened already now. This is the first candle for New York session, and I am anticipating it to break the high, and it did break the high for London session. So if it is strong bullish candle with valid confirmation, I might look for some buys. The valid confirmation means that the edger master confirmation should provide me a blue color with the edger volume gates as a green color. The candle should have a circle below it, and that is going to tell me if it's a valid bullish candle or not. So the first trade is going to be for 50 points, and rest of the trades are going to be for 30 points. So right now the candle is a very solid and strong candle, and I will not enter if there is not a valid confirmation over here, and there was no valid confirmation over here, so no entry for me. It can also happen that we might not get an entry right away. Like yesterday, we were waiting for about 1.5 hours until we got two consecutive winning trades. So it can also happen today, but I'm not anticipating. I'm anticipating the market to perform really nice today because it's Tuesday, and I'm really anticipating it to show us good volatility and give us nice trades because right now market is in a bullish trend, and we can see there are this leg is going to be the third leg of the bullish continuation pattern. So first leg, second leg, and this should be the third leg. If I get a confirmation over here, I will be entering the trade, but it has to be a valid bullish candle. So this is a valid candle, and I am setting a buy limit over here. So if the market comes here, I will enter the trade. So my trade is active right now for 30 points. So it did hit my first take profit level, and that is a winning trade. Like I said, I will be entering on this trade because it was a valid confirmation trade for me. All the conditions were met, so I got my first trade, first winning trade for plus 1%. I will share the result on my Discord. For the people who are in my Discord can check this out. I will share the results on my Discord. So, guys, if you are in my Discord, you are most welcome to check. And I really need to do something over here. For the next trade, I want the price to come back, retrace a little bit, and then provide me the third leg. So I'm considering right now the market to this is the this was the third leg from this. So this was the first leg, this was the second, and that this is the third leg. Now I'm anticipating the price to form this leg, give me a second leg. On the third leg, I'll be looking for a continuation trade, the bullish continuation trade. All right. So now it is doing as I was anticipating it to do. First leg, second leg, and the third leg, we are looking for more entries for buy scenarios. So, So second leg is forming right now. And just like yesterday, I'll be trading until 17, and not gonna take any trades after that. So I'm just marking that up. So yesterday we took two trades and both of them were winning trades. Today we just took the first trade and that was a winning trade as well. So we are about 3% plus for this week, for this year. This is the second day, and we have to be really careful and patient like we have been yesterday. If you guys are following, please ask me questions if you have any on the YouTube chat. So now the market has given us a second leg. If it goes up and closes somewhere here, then it's gonna make evident that it's the third leg, and that is where we will start to look for buy entries again, because it is a continuation pattern and it will be a good opportunity for us to enter that on that leg, for it to be a valid buy trade, a valid buy scalp. So on this candle, if we got a valid confirmation with the circle below the candle and the volume gates are open, I will be entering entering on the close of the candle for a scalp for 30 points. So no entry over there. We need the candle to be a valid candle with the confirmations on both of these indicators. Either master confirmation should be blue and either volume gate should be green. If the price closes below the edge trend pivots, then I will not be looking for any buy trades. That means the structure has violated, or if it's gonna go below this level and form a new low for New York session, it will violate the bullish structure, and then I will not be looking for any buy entries. I will be only looking for buy entries until and unless the price stays above the edge of trend pivots. If it goes below, then I want to look for a bearish continuation pattern, and that is this. Okay. So the structure is still maintained. This was the low, and right now the structure is still respecting the low, and it is anticipated to be a bullish structure. If the price goes above, we are gonna look for further bullish entries. And if this candle closes below the edge trend pivots and breaks the structure, then I will be looking for sell entries. If this changes to short, that's when I'm gonna look for sell entries. So you can see all of these indicators are created by me. And if you want to get access to any of these indicators, you should text me on my Discord on or ask me the questions in the YouTube chat itself. So now the indicator shows me that we should not be looking for any trade entries. So we can see that the price is ranging right now and moving sideways. So it's better for us to just stay out of the market and not look for any further entries until we get a clear indication where the market is going to go in the next minutes. So this candle has broken the structure, and that's why we got an arrow over it, which tells me that it's a breaker candle. And now the buys are invalid for my trading system. So now we want the candle to close over here below edge trend pivots, and we will be looking for a bearish continuation pattern. On the third leg, we are going to look for some sell entries. In case the price goes above and closes still above the edge trend pivots, we will look for further confirmation. We will look for the continuation pattern or the low. This low has still been respected. So if I get a confirmation on this candle with a valid confirmation over here, and Azure Master confirmation provides me with blue color, shows me blue color, and Azure trend volume gates are open, then I will be looking for buy entries, buy scalp. So right now it's looking like that we might not get an entry, but it can also happen in the last few seconds that the color is gonna change and provide us the right entry that we are looking for. The Azure volume gates have opened. We have not got any confirmation from Azure Master confirmation yet. On this candle we have got it. So if it retraces and goes above and gives us a valid candle with the circle on the lower wick, and the Azure volume gates are open, I will be entering for buy scalp for 30 points. So now we have to pay attention very closely. And another thing that I want to talk about, I also said yesterday, I really don't want the candle to close above this high. I want the candle to close somewhere below. So the next consecutive candle should break this previous high for this session and form new highs. So something like this. I really want this candle to not close very close to the current high. I want it to close somewhere here. If it closes here or somewhere like that, I will not be entering buys, even if I get confirmation. So no entries. So 6, 7 seconds to go. And No entry because the edge volume gates are still closed. So no entry on this candle. We have to get all of the confirmations for us to enter the trade. Like here, we got all of the confirmation. The candle provided us with the circle below the wick. The price was closed above edge trend pivots. The edge master confirmation gave us the confirmation with the blue color, and the edge volume gates were also open. That was the reason I entered this trade. Another confirmation that I got was from the price action, because I you can see this was the first leg, this is the second leg, and the third leg we always look for the entries, and that was the third leg. So all of the criterion were met. That's why I entered the trade. And here we do not have anything similar to that. So no entry yet. So we might get a confirmation on this candle. All we have to do is just wait for the confirmation and then enter. Right now, it's making no sense because I have created this system to give us the right time. If you're gonna not if you're not gonna wait for the right timing, the trade is gonna go in drawdown, and it can also hit your stop loss. So what I have created here is to give us the right time when we can enter the trade. Also, it is not 100% winning system. It gives us around 85% of win rate. So 15% is still uh, losing rate, and that can also be omitted by following the rules that I've created. So you can get easily 90, 92, 93% of winning trades by using just the system if you follow the rules that I've created. I really don't want you guys to enter the trades without any knowledge. You should learn how the system works, and if it works in your favor, you should be entering the trade. If you're not comfortable, just just reduce the risk to 0.5%. So if you risk 0.5% on each trade, that is still better. If you're also not comfortable using 0.5%, then you can also go to 0.01% or 0.1% would be a appropriate risk if you are not confident with the system or if you want to try it out. And also, if you guys would like to try it out, then you are most welcome. I'm offering a free trial for 1 month. You can ask me about it on my Discord channel. We can talk about it further. Any help that you need with the system, or you want to get help with trading habits or anything, you can always ask me on my Discord server. I am most welcome to help you guys, because I'm not just helping you guys, I'm helping myself too, to find like-minded people who would like to work together as a team, as a community. The only reason I'm going live on YouTube is to create and build a community so we all can trade together. No entries yet. So right now the structure is still shifting and no confirmation for any buys or any sell right now. So I'm just staying out of the market, just watching what it's showing me, and if it follows the set of the rules that I've created, then I will be looking for the entries. Until then, you guys can also tune in on my playlist. If you don't like the music, you can also turn the volume down. Enjoy for those who would like to enjoy. The only reason I put music is to just um, get my concentration away from the charts, because right now it's not making any sense for me to look at the charts, so I want to stay away from the market. That's why I can just listen to my music, sit back and enjoy and watch the charts from far away, so I don't have to take any impulsive trades, right? And that's what you should do also. You should always find a way for yourself, so you should not be trading some random trades. And the set of rules that I've created would give me a good opportunity and good would give me a good timing. So I'm totally fine. I can look on the charts and wait for an opportunity to occur in front of my eyes. Before that, no entries for me. I'm already good. I've got one winning trade plus 1%. If I get another winning trade, that's gonna be pretty nice for me for this week. I would be already 5% plus 5%, so that is very nice. So I'm not looking for any aggressive entries. However, if I still get a buy entries, the structure is still bullish. First leg, second leg, and third leg. If this is going to be my third leg with valid confirmations, I'll definitely go for the buy scalps. If the price goes below, then I would wait for the price to change its structure fully and go in a bearish trend, where I would be looking for some bearish sell entries. Until then, enjoy the music, guys. Also, for those who would like to stay away from it and still want to pay attention what the market is doing, you can always send an alert for a valid bearish or bullish candle. So that is what I will be doing right now. So that is good. Yeah. So I've set up all of my alerts right now. I'm going to set the second alert here. So as soon as the conditions are met, I will get notified from the alert on TradingView itself. So now we are getting uh, getting in the bullish zone again, and this is the third leg. It looks like the third leg. If it is a third leg, then we will definitely get a confirmation on either master confirmation and either volume gains. The price should close above. Yeah. So the setup is right now forming for a bullish buy. Only the conditions have to be met over here. The bullish master confirmation should show me the blue color, and the volume gate should be open. So if this candle is not that conforming, but we are looking for a solid candle like this with the circle below its lower wick or below its low. And it's kind of annoying, to get multiple alerts because I have set it as once per bar. So this is the alert that I have, once per bar. You can also set it to once per bar close. But then you have to pay attention, you have to be really careful, and you have to look very closely on the charts. So this candle can be an entry for us. Let's see. I'm watching it carefully. The volume gates are still closed. If the volume gates are open and I get a confirmation, I will be entering the trade. 3 seconds to go. 1 second. No entry here. There is no entry over here. However, the candle was a valid candle, but the volume gates were closed. So I want the volume gates to open with the candle, and that is when all of my conditions are met. As I was anticipating the market to give us the volatility, it is not right now. The market is just really lazy, like it has been yesterday. So it might happen that we have to wait for another 1 hour or something, and then we can get good entries. So right now there isn't anything. So this can be an entry for us. Only the volume gate should open. But right now it has created a new high, so it can be a very dicey trade. It can be a winning and it can be a losing trade. It's just 50-50. and that is what I have tested for a very long time. That when this happens, the price can just reject from new high and tank right from there. So if it's going to be if the valid, yeah. So I'm entering this trade right now. I'm in this trade for 30 points. However, it can be losing trade, but we want to try this out. So we are about 11 points in the trade, 13 points. I want the candle to close and want to see where it's going to close. If it's going to close like as a doji, then I will be exiting from my current entry. If it closes with a valid candle, I will be holding it for a full take profit. Now we have been in 15 points in the trade. We are still 10 points in the trade. The market is just playing right now. So it is a valid candle. So I'm gonna hold the trade. I want to hold the trade until we get a full take profit. 30 seconds to go, 15 points we are plus. So if you guys are uncomfortable holding this trade, you can always make it a risk-free trade. I would recommend that definitely to you guys, but I'm gonna hold the trade for full take profit. What I'm gonna do as soon as we hit 20 points, I will be putting my stop loss at break even. So it did 21 points. I am still in the trade, so I'm still holding the trade. I want this candle to hit my full take profit because right now I'm at break even right now. So I'm out of the trade, break even. But as I'm looking at it, it's showing me that it's gonna hit the full take profit right on this candle or on the next one. But if it's a doji and you are still holding the trade, just exit it. If it's gonna be a doji candle, if it closes as a doji candle, just close the trade. You can hold the trade right now because it is still a valid candle. But I would definitely recommend you guys to put the stop loss at break even now. We are at 21 points, 26 points, 30 points. We got full take profit over here. Full take profit has been hit. Great trade. Although I did not hold it, so totally fine. I'll share it on my Discord. So we have got like two consecutive winning trades. Although I did not hold it, now I feel bad why I did not hold it, because the strategy says that you should hold the trade until it hits stop loss or take profit level. Right now, I am kind of feeling bad, but it's totally fine. I'm still 1% plus. So there should be no reason for me to feel bad. We are gonna get another entries. The structure is still bullish, so I'm not looking for any sell entries right now. If the structure shifts to the bearish bias, then I will be looking for further entries. So the market is coming back. First leg, second leg, and starting to form the third leg. That can be a potential entry for us. Let's just wait if we get a confirmation or not. If the agent master confirmation provides us a signal, we will enter the trade on the next candles. So this candle can give us the confirmation that we are looking for. Only the volume gate should be open. That should be the green color on edger volume gates. Green color on edger volume gates, blue color on edger master confirmation, and the candle should be a valid bullish candle with a circle below its low. So let's just zoom in, focus here, and if that is going to be, I'll enter for a long position. Only I'm waiting for the last confirmation, and that is the edger volume gates. 10 seconds to go, 5 seconds to go, 3, 2, 1. No entry over here. So the structure has shifted. This is the first leg, second leg, and the third leg. If we get a confirmation on the edge of volume gates and the confirmation on this candle, then we will be entering the trade for a short entry. Only if we look for the confirmation on this to be a valid bearish candle. So no entry over here. Nothing. Don't get confused, guys. Always look for a confirmation like this on the candle. If this is going to be a bearish candle, then we are going to look for the sell. So 16 seconds to go, 14, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I will enter the trade now. I just did. So price is about to hit full take profit. We have got 26 points and it just rejected pretty nicely from that level. So I'm still holding the trade. I want to wait for this candle to close. Perfect trade. That was an amazing trade, guys. Amazing trade. Very nice one. That is what I'm talking about. We are waiting here for the momentum, for the timing, and that is what the system gives you. It gives you the right time when to enter the trade and when not, when to enter the market. So we are 4% plus for the week. Man. Now I will be looking for only one entry, and that should be it for the day. I'll share the results on my Discord. And this was a really good trade, that's what I'm talking about. It had the volatility that I was wishing for. So great trade, man. Please join my Discord, guys, if you are really interested to learn how the system works. I'm welcoming you all to be a party, to participate in the community and trade with me. So this is the second day of the week, and we are up almost already 2%, 4% plus for the week, and that is pretty good. It's all about consistency and maintaining the set of rules that you have. And don't be worried or take any impulsive decisions, because if you make any impulsive decisions, then you can make a lot of mistakes. So we are looking right now again, and right now the price is at the Azure volume VWAP, Azure VWAP, and I am really not looking for entries over here, because it can happen that the price came here to just test it and just reverse back from here. So I'm not looking for any entries. I want the price to go further away, like 10, 15, 20, 30 points away from the Azure VWAP. That is this blue line. As soon as the price goes below this, I can show you. As soon as the price goes below, the VWAP will change its color. If the market is staying below, it will be yellow in color, showing the bearish confirmation. And as soon as the price goes above, it will show that the price is bullish. So right now we are trading at the edge of VWAP, and I really don't want to trade where it is right now. And also there are no confirmation. So we have like 25 minutes to go. If I get an entry, that would be great. If I'm not getting an entry, it's totally fine with me, because I'm already plus 2% for the day. So pretty good for me. And also for those who took this entry. So if we get a confirmation on this candle, a valid master confirmation, bearish master confirmation here, and the Asia volume gates are open, then we might enter a sell. So no entry on this candle. So like I said, when the price is trading close to VWAP, we do not want to trade over here because anything can happen. It is the point of rejection or retracement, so that's why you should really be careful and be patient when the price is trading around this level because anything can happen from that point. Um, I'm really anticipating the price to go sideways for the next 20 minutes. So I'm not considering to enter the market anymore. But I will look for another 5 minutes. If I don't see any opportunity, I will not be looking for any trades, and then that is when I will be concluding the live session for today. So that would be my first leg. Now, second, on this leg, if we get an entry, we are gonna go for the short positions. So it's looking like we are not gonna enter this trade. Although it was the right confirmation, but I am not in this trade because it's trading very close to the VWAP. So I'm really not comfortable. I'm really not comfortable with this trade. So I will just close it and we can look at it just like that. So it's about 20 points in our trade if we entered this, but we did not. So we are gonna just let it. It did hit the full take profit. So great great one, guys. I was not comfortable trading this, so I'm not gonna count it. So, guys, I'm concluding the stream for today. I'm done for today as it's closing. As it's coming close, it's still 14 minutes left for me to close the stream, but I am totally fine with what I have got today. So, 2%. We are gonna carry on forward from tomorrow. Same time, same place. And if you are interested watching the stream, please go to my Discord and join my server for more information. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great